What's the difference between replacement cost and guaranteed replacement cost? A common question we get in the world of homeowners insurance is the difference between replacement cost and guaranteed replacement cost. If you're considering new insurance or reevaluating your current policy, this video is just for you. Let's delve into what each of these terms means and their significance. Replacement cost refers to the amount it would take to replace or rebuild your home or repair damages with materials of similar kind and quality without deducting for depreciation. It's based on your policy's valuation of your property. This means your insurance would cover the cost of repairs or rebuilding up to the policy's set amount without considering age or wear and tear. Now let's discuss guaranteed replacement cost. This coverage extends beyond the set policy limit. It means that even if the cost to rebuild your home exceeds your policy's limit due to any unforeseen increase in construction costs, you're still fully covered. Deciding between the two depends on your personal circumstances. Replacement cost is a balanced option, suitable if you're comfortable with a fixed coverage limit. On the other hand, guaranteed replacement cost offers a higher level of protection, accommodating potential cost increases beyond your policy limits. This might be preferable, especially in areas where building costs are unpredictable. Choosing the right coverage is all about understanding your needs and the risk involved. It's a decision best made in consultation with your trusted insurance advisor who can provide personalized advice. If you find yourself asking this very question or you need guidance on securing the best policy for your home, we're here to help. Contact one of our trusted insurance advisors at 727-748-2886. Don't wait, call us today.